Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So friends, today I am going to discuss about the quick facts about Kiko goats that are simply delightful. Kiko goats, a breed created by crossbreeding feral goats with dairy goats, possess superior survival and growth instinct. They are beard for meat. This post enlists some facts about Kiko goats. Did you know female meat goats are referred to as does and duelings when less than 1 year old, while male meat goats are referred to as bucks or bucklings. Their young ones are referred to as kids. Originally from New Zealand, Kiko goats were created in 1980s by the crossbreeding of feral goats with dairy goats such as Nubian, Saanen or Toggenburg. The Gotex Group LLC, a corporation in New Zealand, is known to have developed this breed. This breed was imported to the United States for the first time in the mid 1990s. This breed arrived in the United States at around the same time when other breed named Boer had arrived and gained popularity. However, with passing time, the popularity of the Kiko breed has increased due to many characteristics in which these goats score over other breeds. There is an increasing interest in these goats in the southeastern United States, including Alabama. Mainly beard for meat. The term Kiko in Maori means meat. These goats are mainly bred for the purpose of meat production. It is believed that this breed makes it possible to obtain good profits with minimal resources, time, land and even food when compared with other goat breeds. This is because they are able to survive and grow even under non-ideal or harsh conditions. However, these goats are preferred over other breeds as meat animals, valued for hardiness, less maintenance needs and for the profits earned due to high levels of meat production. Grow rapidly. Though many other goat breeds are used for meat, not all of them reach an eatable size as quickly as Kiko goats do, and many require large amounts of food to reach that size. On the other hand, Kiko goats are known to have a rapid speed of growth that enables them to reach the edible size quicker than many others, even without any additional feed or supplementation. Due to this, they are popular of selling purpose. This breed is able to survive even in adverse condition and consume almost anything, grazing efficiently, converting most of the energy into meat. Size and color. These goats have a medium to large frame and are mostly white or cream in color. However, some of them may be colored as well. That is, they may be found in red, brown and black colors as well. Male and female. Kiko goats. Male Kiko goats are larger and more masculine with larger horns and they are aggressive in nature. Female goats have a more feminine look with a good ability to bear multiple kids. They rear their kids to be the weaning age unassisted. An adult male may weigh about 250 to 300 lbs and an adult female may weigh about 100 to 150 lbs. Pound. Kiko kids. Kiko kids are known to have great vigor right from the time of birth. Furthermore, they have a rapid growth rate. The higher quality milk production in the female goats contributes to the rapid growth. They also have high weaning weights and a strong survival instinct. Long breeding season. Kiko goats have a longer breeding season and can breed all year long. Another characteristic of this breed is increasing male virility. The males exhibit an exceptional libido. Moreover, it is said that one Kiko male can cover up to 500 females in an extended season. Less health problems. As far as their health is concerned, these goats have less health problems and need less deworming when compared with other breeds. Food related problems are also less, as a result of which there is lesser hoof trimming required. These were the main characteristics that Kiko goats possess or are required to possess. The goats may be killed in case of physical condition does not allow them to meet these requirements. Related post. Great facts about elf-eared La Mancha goats. La Mancha goats are an old breed of goats reared from dairy and meat producing purpose. Their ancestral body line trace back to Spain. There are a number of interesting facts about